how to change background in Zoom app. So if you want to change your background in Zoom app, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Zoom application. Once you're on your Zoom, now if you want to change the background, then you need to just go with a new meeting and start a new meeting. So go with start. Now, once you're on your meeting, if you want to add some backgrounds, then you may have that option on more, which is on the bottom right. You may have backgrounds, but if you don't find the backgrounds right here on your more section, then you need to go with apps. So click on apps. Once you go with apps here, you will have built-in applications by Zoom. So you will have virtual backgrounds right here. So click on the backgrounds, and here you will have nature backgrounds or interiors, art, travel, and everything. So you just need simply select any background that you're comfortable with and then go with set background, and the background will be added. It might need to download, so you just need simply click on download, and after downloading, your background will be added. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.